These are the deals you've been ready for. First, 4 of my favorite orchestra library developers. Orchestra Tools is having, 50% off sales on Metropolis Arc bundle and Creative Sound Packs bundle. I bought this Metropolis Arc bundle, so like if you wanna have the orchestra of maximum power, go get it right now. Next, Cinematic Studio series, I think it's a great deal for new customers. You can get it for 25% off, which is pretty cool. If you are not familiar with Cinematic Studio series, they have one of the best scripted orchestra libraries. And Vienna Symphonic Library also has deals going on. Their new libraries are so cool. Like they have so many articulations. Then Spitfire Audio has Black Weekend offer, save up to 75%. I think you wanna get this, the Tone, which has these 3 libraries, and they are just $99. Hey music creators, I'm Tateshi. Today let's explore cinematic deals, Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals for media composers. Let's keep going with cinematic libraries. Keep Forest has trailer libraries. So if you make epic trailers, they are a must-have. Especially you should get this Evolution Devastator bundle. Felon and also Razor Rising, GS Rising series are pretty cool. Audio Imperia has a lot of modern sounding libraries. If you are beginner, Nucleus is a great choice. And Heaviosity, I don't think I have to describe it. Damage 2, Symphonic Destruction, very popular libraries. Ideal 70% off store while. And Cine Samples, one of the most popular orchestral library developers, especially Cinebrass, Cinepark, Cineharps. These things are pretty cool. Native Instruments, 50% off individual instrument something, and also a great time to get their hardware. ZLG Ethra Gold series are also on sale. Pretty cool ethnic vocal libraries. Sonic Cinema has up to 60% store-wide sale. I bought Brute Flute. Sonic Score is doing the sale. I also like to mention Best Service, and my favorite Legend 2 is also on sale. Arturia, I highly recommend their effects and synthesizers. Honorable mentions are in the description. Lastly, let's take a look at effects I use every day. Plugin Alliance, they have pretty cool analog effects. And Softube is also my favorite. They are expensive, but there are some cool effects. Isotope is doing up to 90% off sale. And the Production, my favorite effect developer, is doing 50% off sale. You can dig deeper and they have pretty cool features. Liquid Sonics, the best reverb developer. I highly suggest Professional bundle if you make orchestras. And Sound Toys, old but easy to use. Pop Filter, actually they lowered the list price yesterday, so it's the best time to get their effects. Bundles are also heavily discounted. I'll keep the list updated, so please bookmark this video and visit every day. Please use the links in the description. They will cost you nothing extra but support this channel. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoy music production as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you can dream it, you can produce. Black Friday!